Hello, Emma. It is David. Is now a good time to talk?
Hi, David. Yes, now is a perfect time. I was just relaxing after work. It is so nice to hear from you. How has your week been?
My week has been very busy, but good. I have actually been very busy with my new apartment. I have finally unpacked all of the boxes.
You unpacked everything already? That is amazing. You only moved in 2 weeks ago. I am very impressed with your organization.
Thank you. It feels so good to finally be settled in. The apartment is starting to feel like a real home now. And that is actually the reason I am calling you.
Oh?
I was thinking that now that my kitchen is finally functional, I would love to have you over for dinner sometime soon. I want to celebrate my new place, and you are the first friend I wanted to invite.
David, I would absolutely love that. That is such a kind and wonderful invitation. Thank you so much for thinking of me. I have been wanting to see your new apartment.
I have been wanting to show it to you. I am so happy you would like to come. So now we just need to find a day that works for both of us.
Yes, my schedule is a little bit busy for the next few days.
I understand. I was thinking of some time next week, so there is no rush. I was thinking of either next Friday or next Saturday evening. Are you free on either of those days?
Let me just open the calendar on my phone and check. Okay, I'm looking now. Next Friday, I'm afraid I already have plans. I'm going to a concert with my sister.
A concert sounds like a lot of fun. So Friday is not an option. What about Saturday? Is your Saturday evening free?
Let's see. Yes, next Saturday is completely free. I have no plans at all. That would be a perfect day for me.
Saturday is perfect for me, too. It is a date, then. I am so glad we found a day that works.
Me too. I will look forward to it very much. Now we just need to decide on a time. What time were you thinking of for the dinner?
I am very flexible. I was thinking we could start the evening at around 7 o'clock. Does that time work for you?
7 o'clock in the evening is a perfect time for me. That gives me plenty of time during the day to run some errands and then get ready to come to your place.
Great. And that time also gives me plenty of time to cook and prepare everything without having to rush.
So, to confirm, that is next Saturday at 7 o'clock in the evening.
That is the plan. I will write it down in my calendar now so that I do not forget. This is going to be so nice.
I agree. It will be so nice to have a proper catch-up. Now, we need to discuss the most important part of any dinner party.
And what is that?
The food, of course. You said you are going to be cooking. That is very brave of you.
I am trying to improve my cooking skills, and I want to make something special for my first guest. Now, I want to be a good host, so I have to ask you some important food-related questions.
Okay, I am ready.
First, is there any type of food that you really dislike or that you do not eat? I want to make sure I cook something that you will genuinely enjoy.
That is so thoughtful of you to ask, David. I am actually a very easy person to cook for. I like almost everything. I am not a picky eater at all.
That is good to hear. It makes my job a lot easier. But is there anything that is a preference for you? For example, are you in the mood for Italian food or maybe something Asian?
Mm, I am happy with any style of food, really. But I should mention that I am trying to eat a little less red meat these days, like beef and lamb. It is just a personal health choice.
Okay, that is very good information for me to have. So, I will not make my famous spaghetti bolognese then. I will plan a meal based on chicken, fish, or just vegetables.
That would be wonderful. Thank you.
And my final and most important question. Do you have any food allergies or intolerances that I need to be aware of?
That is the most important question of all. Thank you for being so careful. No, I have no allergies at all, so you do not need to worry about that.
Perfect. I think I have the perfect dish in mind. I will make my special lemon and herb roasted chicken with some roasted vegetables.
Lemon and herb roasted chicken? That sounds absolutely delicious and very professional. I am very impressed.
It is much easier to make than it sounds, I promise. I am very happy that you like the idea.
I love the idea. I am already looking forward to it. Now, you are being such a wonderful host by cooking the entire main course. You must let me contribute something to the meal. What can I bring with me?
That is very kind of you to offer, Emma, but you really do not have to bring anything at all. You are my guest. Your only job is to come and enjoy yourself.
I know, but I would feel bad arriving with empty hands. I would really love to bring something to share. Please, let me.
Well, if you really insist, then I suppose that would be okay. I do not want to argue with my first dinner guest.
I am insisting. So, what would be the most helpful thing for me to bring?
Let me think. Since I am taking care of the main course, maybe you could bring something to go with it? A simple side dish, like a fresh green salad, would be lovely.
A green salad is a great idea. I can definitely do that. Or I could bring a dessert. Would you prefer a salad or a dessert?
Oh, a dessert would be even better. I am not very good at making desserts. That is a part of cooking that I have not learned yet.
Then it is decided. I will be in charge of dessert. I have a really wonderful and easy recipe for a healthy chocolate mousse. It is made with avocados, so it is very creamy.
A chocolate mousse made with avocados? That sounds very interesting and very healthy. I would love to try that.
Perfect. I will bring that. So, that is my contribution sorted out.
It is. This is all coming together so nicely. We have a date, a time, and a full menu.
We do. I just have one more small, silly question to ask you.
There are no silly questions. What is it?
I was just wondering about the dress code for the evening. Is this a fancy, formal dinner party, or is it a casual and relaxed evening? I just want to know what I should wear.
That is a very good question to ask. I should have mentioned it. No, it is definitely not a formal dinner party. It is very, very casual.
That is good to hear. I like casual evenings.
The most important thing is that you feel comfortable and relaxed in my new home. So please just wear whatever you feel comfortable in. A nice pair of jeans and a sweater would be absolutely perfect.
Jeans and a sweater it is. That is my favorite dress code. Okay, I think I have all the information I need. The last thing I need from you is your new address.
Of course. I probably should have given you that first. I am so excited about the dinner, I forgot the most important detail.
Do you want to send it to me in a text message?
I will. I will send you the full address, including the apartment number and the buzzer code to get into the building. My apartment is number 4B on the 4th floor.
Perfect. And is it easy to find parking on your street? I will probably be driving.
That is a good thing to think about. The street parking can be a little bit difficult in the evening, but there is a public parking garage just 1 block away that is very safe and usually has a lot of empty spaces.
A public parking garage. I will use that. That is much easier than searching for a space on the street.
I think so too. Well, I think that is everything. Our plan is officially complete.
It is. I am so excited, David. Thank you again for the wonderful invitation. It will be so nice to see your new apartment and to have a proper catch-up.
I'm excited too. I cannot wait to host you. It will be a very fun and relaxed evening with good food and good conversation.
The best kind of evening. So, to confirm one last time, I will see you next Saturday at 7 o'clock at your new place. I will bring the chocolate avocado mousse.
And I will have the lemon and herb chicken ready for you.
It sounds like a perfect plan. Well, thank you for calling. I will let you go now. Have a wonderful weekend.
You too, Emma. I will send you my address right now. I will see you next Saturday.
See you then. Goodbye, David.